Well, if you had to get out on the road this week, you know the slick conditions have been testing driving skills and increasing business for tow truck drivers in the area. And the results of some of those spinouts have been showing up at area body shops. Grace Brister talked with the crew at one of those shops and an insurance agent about what you should do if you find your car out in the cold after a wreck. Grace?
Those icy roads have sent many drivers sliding into ditches and other cars this week, and that has made things busy at body shops and insurance agencies. I talked to the professionals about what to do next, and they helped steer me in the right direction.
Every couple of years, we see a winter storm that comes in and causes problems for drivers.
We're not used to it in where we're at, and sometimes the roads, we don't have the equipment to get the roads where they need to be as soon as they need to be there with the Department of Transportation just because of the region.
General Manager at Bob's Paint and Auto Body, Ashley Denton, says people usually tend to be more cautious when there is inclement weather, but sometimes they get too comfortable.
A lot of times there's not damage because they just slide off, but I do know that we have had incidents where they'll slide into the car in front of them because they don't leave enough space. You kind of want to like double or triple the space. Sometimes you can't see the ice. It'll be just like clear over the concrete, over the asphalt. And so with that type of ice, you don't know it's there until you get on it. And if you hit your brakes, once you start sliding, you're just in it.
Brent Galloway with Galloway Chandler McKinney Insurance says they've also been pretty busy.
Oftentimes we've seen these claims that were just neighbors trying to get out of the neighborhood, and they backed into their neighbor's vehicle, slid down and hit their neighbor's vehicle. So if that's the case, you just need to call their insurance agent and have us file the claim for them. And we're happy to do that and kind of walk them through the process. We did get a number of claims where it was a single car accident and the vehicle just slid off the road into the ditch or slid into a tree or a mailbox. And some of those, they had damage to the vehicle. Some of the vehicle was not damaged, it just needed to be towed. So they would need to pay the tow truck to get their car out of the ditch, so to speak, and then we could file for reimbursement.
Denton and Galloway say they expect to see more cars coming into the shop and more people filing claims on insurance.
We'll probably continue to get claims for a couple of weeks after this.
I would just be very mindful of the way everything's going with the cars in the community. There's probably going to be a heavy influx after the weekend because we haven't seen the brunt of it yet. Just probably be patient with the shops, and we'll do everything we can.
Galloway says they've also seen several homeowner claims resulting from water lines that burst after the extreme cold.